This is the most mysterious puzzle on the internet, and it's completely real. In 2012, a message appeared from a group calling themselves Cicada 3301. No instructions. Just, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. The puzzle led to codes and images, ancient books, GPS locations, even the dark web. People who solved early clues vanished from the internet. No one knows if Cicada was the CIA, hackers, or a secret society. Every year, a new puzzle appears, then disappears. So what were they really searching for?